Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to sort data in Google Sheets. Sorting data is a useful feature that helps you organize your spreadsheet quickly and efficiently. You can arrange text alphabetically or sort numbers from the smallest to the largest and from the largest to the smallest. In this example, we have product names, regions, and sales information. To sort this data, first select the complete data range. Make sure the entire range is selected so that the information in each row stays together. Next, go to the Data menu at the top of Google Sheets. From here, open the Sort Range option and choose the Advanced Range Sorting options. Now, select the column you want to sort by. For example, you can choose the Sales column. After selecting the column, choose the sorting order. A to Z sorts the data in ascending order. For numbers, the smallest values will appear first, and the largest values will appear last. Z2 sorts the data in descending order. This places the largest values first and the smallest values last. You can also use this feature to sort text alphabetically, such as product names or regions. Sorting is useful for sales reports, customer lists, product information, and many other types of data. It makes your spreadsheet easier to read and helps you find important information quickly. So the process is simple. Select your data, open the Data menu, choose Sort Range, select a column, and choose A to Z or Z to A, and that's how you can sort data in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials. See you in the next video.